Hey guys, welcome to today's new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download YouTube Shorts video. Most of the channels promoting fake ways to download the YouTube Shorts. But in this video, I'm going to show you proper way to download YouTube Shorts. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open YouTube. Open Shorts. Copy the link of the source that you want to download by clicking the share option. Copy link. Open any of the browser in your mobile. I am using use browser. Open Google. Search for serve-from.net. Open first link. Click continue. Paste here that you copied link. Long press and paste. Tap on arrow mark. Here choose your download quality. You can see the download window appear. Click on download. The shorts video started to download. I will play the video for you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on next video.